Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in North Maharashtra University from with CGPA with 6.68 and today's date is 4 January 2022 and today's topic is list in Java. We can see generally two types of list, one of linked list and second one is array list. The Java list provides for faculty maintained order collection. It is contained in index based method insert update, delete, search, and element. It can have the duplicate elements also. We can also store the null elements in the list. The element can be shown as the 0. The list interference is the found in Java package. The list iteration in interference. Through the list iteration, we can iterate the list forward and backward direction. The implementation classes of the list interference are array list, linked list, stack, and vector. The array list and list are widely used in Java programming. As we know, the vector class depressed since the JDK 5. Collection in Java. What is the collection in Java? Collection is the framework that provides the architecture to store, manipulate the group of objects. Java collection can be achieved all the operations that you perform on the data such as searching, sorting, insertion, manipulation and delete. Java collection means single unit of object of Java collection. Framework provides many iteration like set, list, queue, and dequeue, array list, vector, linked list, priority, hash set, tree set. Since list in the interference, it can be used only with the class implementation that interference. Now let's see how perform a frequently used operation in a list. First one, adding implementation element in the list while using add method. Operation 2, updating the element with the set method and removing the element with the remove method. It can be used by using size. It use return number of element present in the list. We can use the set with the int index and e element. It is used to replace the specific element in that specific position of the array. Removing the object O, it is removing the first occupancy of the specific element. Int index of object, it is a return value index this list first occupancy of the specific element or -1 if list do not contain the element. Content, what is content? Content can provide if it is the element in that array, we can show the true and otherwise the false. Object to array, it is used to return the array containing all the elements in this list as correct order. Void add, void add can be used for the we can adding the some element in that list. Get, get can be initialized by the int index, get in bracket get in index. Get can be used for the when we want to some element in the list of their index, then we use get. We can convert the array list by transposing the array, adding element list by adding the using list add method. Array list and linked list classes collection contain many objects of the same type just like the array list. The linked list class has all the same methods and array list class because they are both implement the list interference. This method can be used add items, change items, remove items and clear the list in the same way. However, while the array list class is the linked list class can be used for the same and we build the differently. How the array list works and the list regular array list inside the when the element added and the place of array it array not big enough, a new larger array is created to replace the old one and old is removed. How linked list works in the linked list stores it item container list as the link container, it contain the link to the next container in the list to add the element list, the element is placed to new container and that container is linked one of the form of container list. Thank you.